In this video, we're going to introduce a device that provides variable resistance. Variable resistors, sometimes referred to as potentiometers, or just for short, pots. Now, variable resistor is a resistor with some type of an adjustment on it that allows you to vary the amount of resistance between the terminals. These come in handy when you're talking about volume controls on amplifiers or dimmer switches, lighting controls. We'll see that they also have quite an application in control systems and feedback loops. So the idea with a variable resistor is that you have a device that you can adjust the resistance in. It consists of at least one way of doing it, a common way of doing it, consists of a piece of carbon resistive material and three terminals. One terminal connected to each end of the resistor, and then a third middle terminal that's connected to a metal piece known as the wiper that can be adjusted so that its position of contact then moves. So by turning this knob, you can move this contact anywhere from this point on around to this point. As you can see, the resistance between the center tab and either of these two external tabs is variable, and the resistance between either of these two external tabs or the outer tabs is constant. There is no variation between the outer terminals. So for example, if this was a variable resistor, a 10 kilo ohm variable resistor, you would have 10 kilo ohms between this terminal and this terminal. And depending upon where the wiper was set, you'd have something less than 10K here. And then the remainder of the 10K would be between those two. So if it was a 10 kilo ohm resistor and you had the wiper set here such that the resistance between those two, say, was 4 kilo ohms, then the resistance between these two terminals would be the 10 minus 4, or 6 kilo ohms. When you're hooking these up, it doesn't matter which of the outer terminals you use. The variable resistance will be between the outer one and the middle terminal. Now, variable resistors have three terminals, and this is the schematic symbol for a variable resistor, where you have the two outer terminals that give you the total resistance, and then this is meant to indicate a resistive tap, or the wiper, that can move along the carbon resistive, the piece of resistive carbon.